These are again reusable cards from SOE Store Kids. These are alphabet cards, and you know, these are good for preschool kids who are learning capital alphabets, and also for nursery kids. So you can use them for tracing, placing play-dohs and all. And these are reusable, so you know, you can use the white clean pen which comes along with it for the like, you know, marking on it. So can you it's like, you know, a level above. So can you circle an object that doesn't start with A? So people have to think, you know, which one doesn't start with A, and they'll mark the cat. So these are till A to Z, and they're back to back. Okay, so for example, A to Z and back to back. So at the back of A you'll have N, and it also comes with this easy division, like, you know, cards. Again, these are wipe and clean, so you can do it for alphabet and object matching. So that's how it is. Okay, so 3 cards and this, and white clean pen you will get. I hope you like it, and again, these are for preschool and nursery kids.